Hello, welcome to Nordic Stories from the National Nordic Museum in Seattle, Washington. Every month we will feature a picture book from a Scandinavian country or a Nordic author on the first Thursday of each month at 10 a.m. So thank you for coming today. We'll be doing Nordic Stories online until the museum is open again for programming to the public. So thanks for coming. Today we have the story of The Fat Cat, a Danish folk tale by Jack Kent. This is an old book, it's out of print, and this is my copy from when I was little. So this is a story from Denmark. So you'll see the Danish flag here, and here is The Fat Cat. Now we're going to learn a few words of Danish. Today we have two friends here to help us learn a few fun words in Danish. So each month we'll learn a few words featured from the Nordic country that's in the story. So you'll see the Danish flag behind me. So hi guys, thanks for coming today.
Hej, jeg hedder Ture. Hej, jeg hedder Esben.
Hi, we're so glad you're here. So let's start with just learning how to say hello in Danish. So you can tell me how to say it, and then I'll practice, and then I'll point the microphone to the kids at home, and you can practice at home. When I go like this, you say it. Okay, all right, ready? Let's do hello.
Hej. Hej.
Hi. Nice. Hi. That's great. Okay. All right. So now let's do how are you?
Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det?
Hvordan går det? Okay, great. And now, because of the story having a cat, let's learn how to say cat in Danish.
Kat. Kat.
Cat. Good. It sounds almost the same, right? It's almost the same word. That's funny.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's learn the word fat.
Tyk. Tyk.
Tyk. Okay, great. Now we're just about to get started reading the story. So let's say goodbye to our friends, and we'll say goodbye and thank you in Danish.
Farvel og tak. Farvel og tak.
Farvel og tak. Okay, great. And have a great day.
Ha' en god dag. Hej hej. Hej.
Hi, hi. Have a good day.
Hej.
Bye. Hello. It's time for our story, The Fat Cat, a Danish folktale by Jack Kent. Do you see the fat cat and the Danish flag? And look, here comes the fat cat. The Fat Cat, a Danish folktale. To the Danes in my life. There once was an old woman who was cooking some gruel. She had business with a neighbor woman and asked the cat if he would look after the gruel while she was gone. "I'll be glad to," said the cat. Meow. But when the old woman had gone, the gruel looked so good that the cat ate it all. And the pot, too. Boom. When the old woman came back, she said to the cat, "Now what has happened to the gruel?" said the cat. I ate the gruel. I ate the pot too, and now I'm going to also eat you. And he ate the old woman. He went for a walk. All right, put out your feet. Ready? You can walk like the fat cat. Walk, 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 walk. On the way, he met Skohottentot. And Skohottentot said to him, "Well, what have you been eating, my little cat? You are so fat." And the cat said, "Meow, I ate the gruel and the pot and the old woman too. And now I'm going to also eat you." So he ate Skohottentot. Afterwards, he met Skolinkenlot. And Skolinkenlot said, "What have you been eating, my little cat? You are so fat." "Meow, I ate the gruel and the pot and the old woman too, and Skohottentot," said the cat. "And now I am also going to eat you." And so he ate Skolinkenlot. This is a very silly book. Next, he met 5 birds in a flock. Can you show me 5? And they said to him, "What have you been eating, my little cat? You are so fat." "Meow." Can you make whiskers? "I ate the gruel and the pot and the old woman too, and Skohottentot and Skolinkenlot, and now I am also going to eat you." Can you point at the birds? You. And so he ate the 5 birds in a flock. Oh no, look at the feathers. Later he came to 7 girls dancing. And they too said to him, "Gracious! What have you been eating, my little cat? You are so fat." Can you make a big tummy? Whoa, big tummy. And the cat said, "Meow, I ate the gruel and the pot and the old woman too, and Skohottentot and Skolinkenlot, 5 birds in a flock, and now I am also going to eat you." Oh no, point to the girls. And so he ate the 7 girls dancing. And then, when he had gone a little further, okay, stick out your feet. Walk, 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 walk. He met a lady with a pink parasol. And she too said to him, "Heavens, what have you been eating? My little cat, you are so fat." Whoa, show a big tummy. "I ate the gruel, meow, and the pot, and the old woman too, and Skohottentot, and Skolinkenlot, and 5 birds in a flock, and 7 girls dancing, and now I'm going to also eat you." Point to the woman. And he ate the lady with the pink parasol. A little later, he met a parson with a crooked staff. "Oh, dear me, what have you been eating, my little cat? You are so fat." Oh, do you see? Here's the fat cat. Can you make a big belly? Whoa, Oh, meow, said the cat. I ate the gruel and the pot, and the old woman too, and Sko Hottentot, and Sko Lincoln Lot, and 5 birds in a flock, and 7 girls dancing, and the lady with the pink parasol, and now I'm going to also eat you. Point to the parson. And he ate the parson with the crooked staff. Can you take a big bite? Look out for the staff. Next, he met a woodcutter with an axe. My, what have you been eating, my fat cat? Woo, you are so fat. Meow. I ate the gruel and the pot and the old woman too, and Sko Hottentot and Sko Lincoln Lot, and the 5 birds in a flock, and the 7 girls dancing, and the lady with the pink parasol, and the parson with the crooked staff. And I am going to also eat you. Point to the woodcutter. No, you are wrong, my little cat, said the woodcutter. And he took his axe, and he cut the cat open, and out jumped the parson with the crooked staff. Out jumped the lady with the pink parasol, and the 7 girls dancing, and the 5 birds in a flock, and Sko Lincoln Lot, and Sko Hottentot. Yay! And the old woman took her pot and her gruel, and she went home with them. And wait, look. The end. Oh, do you see the cat? Oh, the cat is okay, but has a big band-aid. And that is the end. Nice job listening. Okay, let's do a craft. Hi, and welcome to the craft portion of Nordic Stories. This is the craft we'll be doing today that goes with the book Fat Cat, a Danish Folktale. So this will be a paper bag puppet cat that you can make that can go around and eat things just like the cat in your story. So here's what you'll need. You'll need a paper bag, one of these little lunch bags. You'll need this file that says cat mask. This is something that's linked at the bottom of the story time contents. So look for the link there. It's available to download free. And then some kind of construction paper or colored paper that you can make a big tummy out of. So it could be orange if you want to make your cat orange, like the cat in the book. But you could make a yellow cat, you could make a gray cat, you could make a purple cat. And then of course some kind of markers, or they could be crayons, a glue stick to stick your head on top of the paper bag right here. See how this will become the mouth? And then scissors. Okay, so that's what you need. And now I'm going to make one. Okay, so here is my cat. I used the cat mask shape and I colored it, and then I cut it out with my scissors. And then I took kind of a tummy shape and I also cut it out with my scissors. And then I used the glue stick. And what I did is I put the glue right here and then stuck the head right here. Now the secret to this puppet is that it can eat things. So what you need to do is cut a slit, and I actually used some tape to reinforce it. So what you can do is just open up your paper bag, put your hand inside, and your adult can maybe help you with this, but you'll see this little line right here, and you're just going to want to poke your scissors in and then cut a little opening. And then this might rip, so what I do is I take the tape and I fold it over the mouth opening to reinforce it, and I do it all the way around. So then what you end up with is a magic cat that can eat things. So the fun part now is doing something with your craft. So crafts are about not only the product, but the process, right? So grab some things from around your house, little toys, little objects, and you are going to make your own story. So remember how the cat in the book went through and ate different things. Well, now you're going to make up a story with your cat, and your cat is going to go walking, and see things and eat them. So it's a cumulative story, which means you add things one at a time, and then you can remember what the cat ate and tell the story. And then at the end, maybe the cat meets a woodcutter, or maybe the cat goes to the hospital and they open the cat and out comes all the creatures in order. So the cat could eat crocodile, a girl, a nut, a bug, a king, a stick, and you can act out the story yourself. All right, everyone, thank you. Bye-bye.